Ever wondered how people make money by trading currencies online? It's called Forex trading. And while it might sound complicated, I'm going to break it down in simple terms. Forex stands for foreign exchange. Forex trading is the act of buying one currency while selling another at the same time. It's the biggest financial market in the world. Over $6 trillion is traded every single day.
People trade Forex to profit from changes in currency values. For example, if you think the euro will rise compared to the US dollar, you can buy euros and sell them later at a higher price.
Forex is always traded in pairs, like EUR/USD or GBP/JPY. If you believe the first currency will go up, you buy. If you think it will go down, you sell. Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That's because it operates globally across different time zones, from Asia to Europe to the US. To get started, choose a trusted Forex broker. Open a demo account to practice. Learn price charts, technical analysis, and risk management. Start small when you go live. Forex trading can be profitable, but it's also risky. Many beginners lose money because they trade without a strategy. Always use risk management and never trade money you can't afford to lose. If this helped you understand Forex trading better, like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips, and drop a question in the comments. I'll be happy to help.